If you are spending time on handwriting, invoices your data, and writing reports, that means you are not running your business efficiently as it could be. OJO Platform is a powerful tool to manage your business operation with OJO benefits. OJO is a system used to manage field operations, such as dynamic scheduling and ability to take urgent tasks, real-time fleet tracking, workflow standardization, quicker invoicing, getting rid of paperwork. The employee can also attach files, send estimates and invoices.
OJO gives you complete control of your business and provides your employee with the resources they need to cut down the mistakes. Why don't you start today and see how you feel about controlling your business? Visit our website, www.ojocloud.com.